When you want something, what do?
We get money.
You get money or you get the thing
Yes.
that you want?
Get my money to buy my things and the material to make something.
No. So for example, if you want a chocolate, so what do?
I will take money and see the cost of it, and then I will buy and eat it.
I mean, if you see the cost of things before buying,
Yes, I asked them.
but you tell him to buy, I want this, or he just gets something for you.
He just gets something.
Can you imagine life without money?
No.
Money होता ही नहीं.
No, there'll be no life there.
But there was life and there was no money.
How? But
Money has not been forever. Yes. So I'll tell you a story, okay? When I had an apple tree and Amira had a mango tree. So what would we do?
We'll water it, ma'am.
Yeah.
Or eat other fruits.
Amira would say, "Can I get your apples?" I would say, "Okay, give me your mangoes and I'll give you apples." Right? Okay, and that's how life used to work. So ऐसे there was a boy who was living and he was very happy. जो चाहिए वो ले लो, बस कुछ दे दो and in return कुछ ले लो. But then what happened? That new things were coming up. Now if you want a shoe and Shivai has rice, then how will I exchange rice with him? Because I want shoes, I don't want rice. Then
Would find someone else.
I will have to go to someone else. And what if that person doesn't need my rice? The boy then felt that मुझे तो ये नहीं चाहिए, मुझे तो नहीं चाहिए इसका राइस, मुझे तो शूज़ चाहिए, मुझे तो शूज़ अच्छे लगते हैं और मुझे तो शूज़ चाहिए, मुझे शूज़ पहन के बाहर जाना है. So then what happened? That पहले तो we were following barter system. आपसे मैं कुछ लूँगी, आप मेरे से कुछ लोगे, exchange हो गया and that is called trading. But then that did not work for long, है ना? फिर ऐसे था कि अब मुझे तो कुछ और चाहिए, आपके पास कुछ और है, अब क्या करेंगे? तो फिर सोचा कि अब इसके लिए we will have to have something जिसके बदले में मैं आपको वो चीज़ दे दूँ and then you give me what I want. Okay? So it has to be something जो commonly used होता है. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आपको मेरी चीज़ ज़बरदस्ती लेनी पड़ती है. So then came the concept of
Money.
money.